Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Jotchua token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the website, Jotchua is a community-driven meme coin launched on the Solana blockchain in June 2026. The project is based on the internet meme commonly known as Jotchua, Parodinerio, or Money Doge, which originated from a photograph of a golden retriever puppy that became widely shared across Spanish-speaking communities in 2021 before spreading more broadly online. The token was introduced on the Pump.Fun launch platform with a fixed supply of 1 billion Jotchua, with the full supply circulating following launch. It is designed as a cultural and entertainment focused digital assets rather than a protocol of or infrastructure project. Jotchua centers on preserving and expanding the original meme through community participation. The project's website includes tools that allow users to create custom profile pictures based on the original Jotchua image while maintaining its recognizable appearance, as well as a community gallery where participants can submit and display their creations. These features are intended to encourage user-generated content and ongoing participation around the meme. Jotchua token total supply is not showing yet, and circulating supply is around 999.87 million Jotchua token. Jotchua.net token is listed on MEXCL Bank and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.